Is it the right time to buy or sell TQQQ ETF? In this video, we will be taking an in-depth look at TQQQ. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, January 16, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analysis. It's important not to miss any updates that could potentially impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. However, please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Starting from January 8, 2024, our system has identified TQQQ as a strong buy candidate with a score of 2.68. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has shown a remarkable gain of 3.2%. This means it has delivered an average daily return of 0.53% since it was flagged as a buy candidate. The ETF is currently experiencing a strong upward trend, indicating potential further growth. Based on the 3-month trend, there is a projected 50.11% change over the next 3 months. This could result in a return between 40.71% and 64.59%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a forecasted 94.72% change over the next year. This may lead to a return between 40.9% and 104.25%. In terms of price, it could range from $70.89 to $102.76 after 12 months. In today's TQQQ update, we bring you the headline, Red Day on Tuesday for TQQQ ETF after a slight decline of 0.0596%. On Tuesday, the 16th of January 2024, the TQQQ ETF experienced a small decrease of -0.0596%, with its price dropping from $50.34 to $50.31. Throughout the day, the ETF fluctuated by 3.2%, reaching a low of $49.33 and a high of $50.91. Although the price has risen in 6 out of the last 10 days, it is still down by -0.77% over this period. Volume increased by 9 million shares on the last day, despite the falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. During this time, a total of 72 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to approximately $3.64 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price the ETF reached was $52.01, while the lowest price was $18.58. Currently, the price sits at 3.27% below the 52-week high, equivalent to a difference of $1.70. It is also 73.64% below the all-time high, which occurred on January 8, 2021. On that date, the price reached a staggering $190.88. Today, let's take a look at the signals for TQQQ, an ETF that tracks the performance of the Nasdaq 100. Currently, there are mixed signals in the ETF. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, December 27, 2023, resulting in a decline of -2.39%. It is expected to fall further until a new bottom pivot is found. Additionally, there is a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. It's worth noting that volume rose on falling prices yesterday, which could be an early warning sign. Therefore, it's important to closely monitor the ETF. On the positive side, the TQQQ ETF holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Furthermore, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. In terms of support levels, if the ETF experiences corrections and moves downward, it is expected to find support at $49.25 and $47.52. However, if the price breaks below any of these levels, it will issue sell signals. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence has shown a sell signal. Pivots indicate a sell signal that occurred 13 days ago. The Bollinger signal suggests a buy signal that occurred 18 days ago. The short-term moving average has shown a buy signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a buy signal 7 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages revealed a buy signal 47 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average has shown a buy signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a buy signal 45 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages revealed a buy signal 35 days ago. If you want to find more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for TQQQ. Let's discuss the support levels for TQQQ. Currently, the ETF finds support just below today's level at $44.40 and $44.24, based on accumulated volume. It's important to consider the risk involved when an ETF is testing a support level. If the current support is broken, the ETF may fall to the next support level, which in this case is at $44.40. Beyond that, there is additional support at $44.24 and $38.22 based on accumulated volume. Now, let's talk about the risk associated with TQQQ. This ETF has average movements during the day and maintains good trading volume. Therefore, the risk is considered to be medium. In the past day, the ETF had a $1.58 movement between its high and low, which amounts to 3.2%. Over the past week, the ETF has had an average daily volatility of 3.56%. Today, we'll be discussing some potential day trading levels for TQQQ. If TQQQ experiences an upward trend, the first resistance level to watch out for is at $50.34. If you're not currently holding any shares, it might be wise to wait until this level is breached before entering a position. However, for those who are already holding the stock, this could present an opportunity for swing trading. On the downside, TQQQ encounters its first support level at $44.40. If this support level holds, it could serve as a potential entry point, as we anticipate a rebound. Our recommended stop loss for this ETF is set at $48.61, which represents a decrease of 3.38%. This ETF exhibits medium daily movements, implying a moderate level of risk. Additionally, we have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that occurred 12 days ago. Is TQQQ ETF a good buy? Based on our analysis, there are several positive short-term signals and an overall positive trend. This suggests that there may be a buying opportunity for the TQQQ ETF. However, it's important to note that our systems have detected overvaluation in the current price after analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day. Looking ahead to Wednesday, January 17th, we anticipate TQQQ to open with a decrease of $0.127, starting at $50.18. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. It's always recommended to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and assume responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Comment below and let us know if you agree or disagree. What is your target for the ETF? Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates. We hope you have a successful trading day and wish you a beautiful day from all of us here at StockInvest.